8th standard English book back grammar, degrees of comparison. Okay, what is the degrees of comparison? Then how to make it positive, comparative and superlative. We have three types the degrees of comparison. First one, positive. Second one is comparative. Third one is superlative. Okay. Positive, comparative, superlative. What is the positive and what is the comparative and what is the superlative? Here, positive. Okay, just you have to make it to compare the people compare the people, place or things. Okay, the same equal way. Okay, that are equal in the same way. That are same. Same, equal ways. Okay, for example, Rahim is as tall as Ravi. Rahim is as okay, Rahim is as tall. Tall is an adjective. Ravi. Rahim is as tall as Ravi. Okay, the same equal way have to compare. So it called as positive. Okay, how to make it comparative degree? Positive, okay. Comparative, to emphasize one above the other. To emphasize one above the other. To emphasize, okay. So here, you emphasize one above the other. Just you have to emphasize one above the other. So that is comparative level. Okay. He is taller than Ravi. Rahim is taller than Ravi. For example, Rahim is taller than Ravi. Rahim is taller than Ravi. So that's we have mentioned here to emphasize one above the other. Okay. Next, superlative. Students, we are learning about what is the positive and what is the comparative and what is the superlative. Okay, how to make it the structure. That's all. Superlative to emphasize is one above most or all other. To emphasize is one above most. Emphasize one above most or all. Most above most. Okay, otherwise all others you can use. All others. Okay, for example, Ravi is the tallest of all. Ravi is the tallest. Ravi is the tallest boy. Okay, so the tallest, the est, so you can mention. So here before we transform the sentence positive to comparative and comparative to superlative, just we have to mention that adjectives here. Okay, so here adjectives, for example, tall, taller, tallest, great, greater, greatest. Okay, so how to identify that positive and comparative and superlative? In our book bag, they have given the tableau column positive, adjective, and comparative and superlative. Okay, so if we have more than 2 syllables, for example, difficult, so we can't use that difficulter, difficultest. More difficult, most difficult. More it refers comparative, most it refers superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, so here great, great. So that is positive or comparative or superlative? Positive. Okay, so greater, greater, comparative, greatest. Okay, so great, greater, greatest. Tall, taller, tallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Smallest. So, okay, we have more adjectives. So how to make it? When we change into comparative, when we change into superlative, we have to make it correct forms. Okay, superlatives, adjective plus est. But here comparative level, adjective plus er. Okay, so in positive without er and without est, it's normal. Okay, here great, tall, small. Okay, we can use that. Difficult. Okay, so that is positive or comparative or superlative. This is positive. Okay, so difficult. How to make it comparative? More difficult. More difficult. Superlative, how will you make? Most difficult. Okay, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. So beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful. So more than 2 or 3 syllables, just we can use more and most. Okay, so just according to the syllabifications we can use these adjectives. Actually this is adjective, so we have to make it. As I told you, only 1 syllable. Okay, for example, tall, taller, tallest. But here more than 2 syllables, so we can use more and most. Okay, beautiful, more beautiful. Most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Okay, so here we can separate the positive, comparative, and superlative levels. Just afterwards to the tableau column. Okay, so we have 3 types of tableau column: positive, comparative, superlative. First types, positive and comparative, we can change, but there is no superlative first type. Okay, then second type also positive, comparative, and third superlative. Okay, we can change 3: superlative to comparative and comparative to positive. Okay, the last third positive, comparative, superlative we can change. Only first step we can't change it. There is no superlative. Okay. Next class we will continue through the tabular column. Okay. So how to change from the positive to comparative and comparative to superlative and superlative to comparative. Okay. Thank you.